Hi guys, today I have for you iPhone 7 with no microphone. Let's see how it looks. So basically that phone has just no microphone and possibly audio. We'll be checking that out. Audio is working now, but we'll checking that audio anyway because it's just a good practice to fix these phones, especially if they are my phones. Yeah, not the customer one, but my phones. So we fix audio ahead, even if it's not necessary, just so we don't have a problem with that later on. Yeah, but currently there is no microphone there. Before we disassemble the phone, let's see how the fault shows itself. Phone is taking normal charge, so we shouldn't be worried about that. As well, all the other functions works. I tested them already, but if we want to record the voice memo there, we get no sound. Hello, 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 hello. As you can see here, the line does not change, does not show the equalizer there. And as well, if we play it back, we don't hear any sound, just hissing. I don't know if you can hear that, but yeah, there is no microphone input. Alright, let's disassemble the phone and check the mic. So I disassembled the phone. It looks clean. That means that mic is failing for no reason. Anyhow, let's see under a microscope how it looks. The microphone looks fine. Cable is fine. It's not snapped. That means that we don't have to remove board and the actual charging port to fix the microphone. So I will be just taking the microphone off that flex there and putting it from the non-working charging port. So you better understand how it works. I will be taking the stand here, putting the phone like that, taking the microscope and working like this. So the phone stands there by itself, like not by itself, it's supported by this heavy thing there. We'll be taking microphone off. I'll be putting some flux. I'll be using 280 degrees. Let's slowly heat the microphone. Yeah, it should come quite easy. Let's put a nice solder to the connections. Just a little bit of flux. Yeah, that should do. Let's take the microphone off of that. That's as well. That's not working charging port from the iPhone 7. It comes more easy when it's not in the housing because you don't have a heat sink there. So we put back our board. Let's check the positioning. Positioning is like that. Let's clean the mic. That will be fine. Let's position it back. That's so inconvenient. Let's warm up a little bit. Position the mic. Something like that. And let's slowly heat. Yeah, supposed to be fine. So we let that mic cool down a little bit. And then we check. Let's take a screen. Let's take a screen. Let's power the phone on. Let's see if we have audio. Hello, 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 hello.
Hello, 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 hello.
Yeah, that's it. We fixed our microphone issue on that phone. So I hope you liked this short video, and see you in next one.